Yes, yes, yes!
I'm sorry?
How?
I don't know.
How? How do those not? Must be two north magnets, you know what I mean?
No. Is that a thing?
Like north and south. Half or north, half or south. This feels like
Risky.
There. Where are you going then? What? Oh, you're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard.
Freak. Oh no. Are you almost done?
No.
What? I didn't even know that was.
Good.
Yes, yes, yes!
I'm sorry?
Come on.
I don't want
Come on.
to. Okay.
Really? Okay. That's a small magnet right there.
I know, I'm trying to find my smallest ones or like some of them. No!
This could be my game.
No!
This could be my game.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, this is huge if I can sneak this. And he picks up the whole board.
Michael.
He picks up the entire board. Oh no. We have like one left. If you make a move like that, I can't win. How many do you have left?
One.
You have one left. Great. Alright, this is big play. This is a huge play.
I still have to get that one down.
Yeah, okay, yep. And that'll do it for Mike. My God! Good game.